Have you ever wondered how to make money using YouTube and technology? This is not a far-fetched idea. In fact, it's a reality for many people worldwide. Imagine harnessing the power of YouTube, a platform boasting over 2 billion users, and using technology to monetize your content. The potential is enormous. Throughout this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to transform your YouTube channel into a money-making machine. So, are you ready to embark on this lucrative journey? Let's dive right in. The first step in making money on YouTube is creating content. And not just any content, but engaging and high-quality content. It all starts with finding a niche that resonates with your interests and can captivate a specific audience. You might be passionate about cooking, tech gadgets, or even stand-up comedy. The key is to find something that you love and that others will love too. Consistency is the next cornerstone. Regularly posting videos keeps your audience coming back for more. It's like a TV series. Viewers tune in every week for a new episode, and your channel should be no different. Quality, though, is the backbone of great content. High-definition video, crystal-clear audio, and well-edited shots are crucial. Thanks to the advancements in technology, achieving this is easier than ever. Even smartphones today can shoot in 4K resolution, and free editing software is just a few clicks away. Remember, your content is your product, so make it count. Once you have your content, the next step is to build an audience. The larger your audience, the more money you stand to make. So how do you go about doing that? Well, there are a few strategies you can employ. Start by promoting your channel on social media. This can be as simple as sharing your videos on your personal profiles or as complex as running targeted ad campaigns. The goal is to get your content in front of as many eyes as possible. Next, engage with your viewers, respond to comments, ask for feedback, and make your audience feel valued. This not only builds loyalty, but also encourages more interaction with your content, which can boost its visibility. Don't forget about SEO. By optimizing your video titles, descriptions, and tags, you can help your content appear in relevant search results, attracting more viewers. Finally, focus on building a community around your channel. This means fostering a sense of belonging among your viewers, which can lead to higher engagement and more shares. Building an audience might take time, but it's a crucial step in making money on YouTube. So you've created content and you've built an audience. Now, let's talk about the most exciting part: monetizing your channel. Monetizing on YouTube is more than just pocket change. It can be a significant source of income. One of the primary ways to earn is through ad revenue. Once you join the YouTube Partner Program, you can start earning from ads shown on your videos. But remember, to qualify for the program, you need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Another way to earn is through channel memberships. Your fans can choose to pay a monthly recurring fee for unique badges, new emojis, members-only videos, and other exclusive perks. The merchandise shelf is also an excellent way to monetize. You can showcase your official branded merchandise right on your YouTube channel. And let's not forget YouTube Premium revenue. When a YouTube Premium member watches your content, you get a part of their subscription fee. But don't limit yourself to these. There are other ways to earn, like affiliate marketing, where you promote a product and earn a commission on each sale made through your referral link. Or you could explore brand partnerships, which can be highly profitable if you align with the right brands. Monetizing your channel is where your efforts start paying off, so make the most of these opportunities. So, there you have it, the process of making money on YouTube in a nutshell. Let's quickly recap the key points we've discussed. First, creating engaging content. This is the foundation of your YouTube journey. Without compelling and high-quality content, it's impossible to attract viewers. Second, building an audience. This is where the real work begins. You need to promote your channel, engage with your viewers, and constantly adapt to their preferences and feedback. Building a loyal audience takes time and effort, but it's worth it. Third, monetizing your channel. This is the cherry on top. Once you have a solid audience base, you can start making money through ads, sponsorships, merchandise, and more. But remember, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires consistency and dedication. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So take that step today and start your YouTube journey. Good luck, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like, comment, and share.